Hello and welcome to our final week of class. This final week is all about applying the skills we have learned in this course to our everyday lives. As we have learned in the past 7 weeks, stronger critical thinking skills will lead us to broader thinking, greater learning, better opportunities, and healthier relationships. So, in this final topic, we are going to have the opportunity to connect critical thinking as it relates to creative thinking, problem solving, and decision making, ethics implications, the value of being a critical thinker in all facets of our lives, finding our purpose, and overthinking. So, let's get started. As a critical thinker, we approach everyday problems by using the 5 steps in the decision-making process. So the first step is define the problem. Identify issues or causes of the problem. The second step is to remove barriers or obstacles that may be present. The third step is to generate possible solutions through strategies of information gathering, creative thinking, and letting the problem rest. The fourth step is to select a solution through preliminary evaluation, evaluating pros and cons, breaking down the problem into sub-goals, trial and error, working backwards, and following practical problem-solving tips. And then the last step is to evaluate and monitor the solution. Was the solution effective in solving the problem? What could have been done to make it better? When we use ethics and critical thinking, we are thinking about our moral values, beliefs, or guiding principles to guide our decision making. For example, think about how you want to be treated and how you treat other people. Consider how we conduct ourselves, how we communicate ideas, feelings, and thoughts to other people. Are we open minded, sensitive to others' feelings, and respectful? Do we consider other points of views or perspectives before taking action? In essence, our actions or deeds have serious implications and can affect others, whether positive or negative. Key points to remember about critical thinking. Critical thinking is a valuable skill that can help you make decisions in all facets of your life. By allowing you to analyze and evaluate information you receive, both creative and critical thinking are vital to solving everyday problems and selecting the best solution. So, in this week's discussion, we are going to reflect on our purpose and draw upon the tools and practices learned in this course to help bring our purpose into greater focus. Think of your purpose as God's calling. Your purpose may consist of unique skills and abilities, your passion, and your mission or vision in life. Using critical thinking to find our purpose will require us to test our perceptions and assumptions, as well as identify barriers and false rationalizations. So we cannot end the course without a discussion on overthinking. Overthinking can really do more harm than good. To avoid overthinking, have confidence in the circumstance or the relationship. Sometimes it's best to just let it go. Rehashing the past is not going to move you forward. So forget about it and move on. And always think positive and turn that autopilot when your thinking starts to overwhelm you. Well, congratulations on making it to the final week. You did it. We have spent the past 6 weeks thinking, writing, and researching our essay topic. Now that you have thought about it, organized it, outlined it, reviewed it, and thought about it some more, it is time to put the final pieces together and get that 100% you so badly want. As you finalize your persuasive essay this week, reflect back on the acronym PERSUADE. P, pull in your audience with a hook. E, explain your point of view. R, give 3 reasons to support your point of view. S, sway your audience to believe your point of view. U, use convincing language. A, address the opposing side. D, deliver a strong message. And E, entice your audience to take action, which is the last piece of your conclusion in your persuasive essay. So by the end of this topic, You should have been able to answer the following question. How can I apply critical thinking to broaden my thinking, enhance my learning experience, create better opportunities, and build healthier relationships? How can I use ethics and critical thinking? What is my purpose in life, and how can critical thinking help me find my purpose? What are some ways I can avoid overthinking? Well, this video sums up everything we have learned in this course. Thank you for such a wonderful course. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Have a great, wonderful final week of class.